How to safely reset your Lennox furnace step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off power to the furnace. First things first, safety always comes first. Head over to your furnace and look for the power switch. It often looks like a regular light switch and is mounted on or near the furnace. Flip the switch to the off position. If you can't find a switch, you can also turn off the power at your home's circuit breaker. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Now, wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives the system time to fully shut down and reset its internal components. Step 3. Turn the power back on. After waiting, flip the switch back on or restore the power from the breaker. You might hear a few clicks or a humming sound that's completely normal as the furnace boots back up. Step 4. Check for normal operation. Now go to your thermostat and set it to heat. Increase the temperature a bit to see if the furnace kicks in. You should hear the blower turn on and warm air start flowing through the vents within a few minutes. Bonus tips. If your furnace still isn't working after the reset, check the air filter. A dirty one can cause shutdowns. Make sure the thermostat batteries are fresh. Look for any error codes flashing on the control board or LED screen. If you see error codes, it's best to check the manual or call a professional technician. Don't forget to subscribe.